Hello बच्चों, here the question says that in the following question, a statement of assertion A is followed by a statement of reason R. We are given the four options. Now coming to the assertion part, it is saying that birds have metanephric kidney and no urinary bladder. Now coming to the reason part, it is saying that South American ostrich has urinary bladder. Now let's see what will be the key concept here in this question. So the key concept में हम देखेंगे बेसिकली किडनी को कितने टाइप्स में डिवाइड किया जाता है. सो किडनीज हमारे डिवाइडेड होते हैं दो टाइप में. एक होता है मीजोनेफ्रिक किडनी और एक होता है मेटानेफ्रिक किडनी. सो मीजोनेफ्रिक किडनी हमको किस में देखने को मिलता है? मीजोनेफ्रिक किडनी देखने को मिलेगा फिशेस में और एम्फीबियंस में. फिशेस और एम्फीबियंस में हमको मीजोनेफ्रिक किडनी देखने को मिलती है और मेटानेफ्रिक किडनी हमको देखने को मिलेगा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रेप्टाइल्स में. सेकेंडली इट इज फाउंड इन द बर्ड्स में देखने को मिलेगा और थर्ड इट इज फाउंड इन मैमल्स. So all these three have the metanephric kidney and these two fishes and amphibians have the mesonephric kidney. And what is asking in the assertion? It is saying that birds have metanephric kidney and no urinary bladder. So this statement is correct that birds have metanephric kidney and they don't have the urinary bladder. We have seen here that metanephric kidney is present in reptiles, birds and mammals. So this statement is correct. Assertion is absolutely correct. This statement is correct. Birds don't have the urinary bladder. Birds don't have urinary bladder. Birds don't have urinary bladder. But there is exception to this statement. And what is the exception? The exception for this is flightless birds. Flightless birds. Flightless birds have the urinary bladder. They have urinary bladder. That is, urinary bladder are present in the flightless bird. So here we can see that our reason is South American ostrich has urinary bladder. So ostrich is flightless bird. It is considered in the flightless bird. So this statement is true. But this statement is not the correct explanation for the assertion. That is, the bird have metanephric kidney and no urinary bladder. So our final answer would be the option number second, that is saying that if both assertion and reason are true but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion, then mark 2. So our final answer would be option number 2. Hope this would be clear to you. Thank you.